Hi, first grade. Today we're going to have a different method for doing our math problems. It's got a special name. Let's take a look. It is called the read, draw, write method. Read the word problem, draw and label, and then we have to write a number sentence and statement that matches. We're going to call this the read, draw, write method. Are you ready? Let's try it. So right here in our box, it says read, draw, write, so that we don't forget our steps. Let's read our problem. This week, Maria ate 5 yellow plums and some red plums. If she ate 11 plums, how many red plums did Maria eat? So right here I have my 5 yellow plums. And do you see how there's a Y underneath those 5 circles? Because not only do I have to draw my picture, I now have to label it. So it's labeled with a Y for yellow. Now she ate 11 plums, so I'm going to have to add more to this 5 to find out how many red plums that Maria ate. So let's do that now. There we are, 5, let's count on, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And do you see how I used the draw 5 method? So that it's very easy to count my numbers. Now the ones that were drawn are now labeled with an R. R for red. So we have our 5 with our Y, and then we have everything else with an R, and both groups are circled. So now I can write my number sentence, because remember I have to write a number sentence and a statement. 5 plus some number equals 11. That is my number sentence. How many did we put here? If it's drawn in a 5 group, we can easily count this. 5, count on, and 6. 5 plus 6 equals 11. Nice job filling that in. Now we have to put our statement down. Maria ate 6 plums. And Mrs. Anthony did not put a period at the end. I need to fix that, don't I? We've been talking about periods and exclamation points and question marks in our reading. So now we have, again, read, draw, write in the corner so we don't forget our steps. Tatyana counted 14 frogs. She counted 8 swimming in the pond and the rest on lily pads. How many frogs were on lily pads? So if I draw 14 frogs using the draw 5 method, I have 5 and 5 more is 10, and then 10 and 4 is 14. I know that 8 were swimming, so I'm going to circle 8 and label it with an S, because not only do I draw now, I also have to label. Then I'd circle everything else and put an L for the lily pads. Now I have to write my sentence. 8 plus some number equals 14. What number was that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 8 plus 6 equals 14. So now we have to write our sentence. Tatyana counted 6 frogs on lily pads. Let's try another example. Read, draw, write. Some children are on the playground. 8 are on the swings, and the rest are playing tag. There are 15 children in all. How many are playing tag? So, we have drawn 15 children using the Draw 5 method. I have to circle 8 because that is how many are on the swings. Then I'll circle the remaining number. That's how many children are playing tag. So, look at this. I made a related subtraction problem. 8 plus some number equals 15, but I could also solve it. 15 minus 8 equals that same number. How many are over here? That'll give us that number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8 plus 7 is 15, just like 15 minus 8 equals 7. So now let's write our statement. 7 children are playing tag. Thank you for doing the read, draw, write method with me today. Have a good day.